In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly email Google Calendar event guests. Have you ever scheduled a meeting or an event using Google Calendar and wanted to send a quick update or reminder to all your invitees? Well, Google Calendar makes it incredibly easy to do just that, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Calendar website. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account so you have access to your calendars and events. Once you're signed in and on the main calendar page, locate the specific event for which you'd like to email guests. If you have multiple events, you can do this by moving to the appropriate date on the calendar. Once you see your event, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a pop-up window with all the details of your event. In this event details window, you'll find various pieces of information, including the event title, time, and location. What we're interested in for this tutorial is the section that displays the number of guests you have invited to the event. Next to this guest list, you'll see some options, and one of them will be email guests. This email guests option is a fantastic feature integrated into Google Calendar, making communication as seamless as possible between event organizers and attendees. When you click on email guests, it automatically opens a new email draft within your default email application. The real time saver here is the fact that all the email addresses of your invited guests are already added in the recipient list. This ensures you don't need to manually add each invitee, reducing potential errors and saving valuable time. With your email draft open, it's time to compose your message. Craft a concise and clear message addressing all your guests. Whether you're sending a friendly reminder, updating them on changes, or providing additional information about the event, make sure your message includes all the necessary details. Before sending your email, take a moment to review it. Check for spelling errors, ensure that all the information is correct, and that your tone is appropriate for the message you wish to convey. Once you are satisfied with your email draft, go ahead and hit send. With just these few clicks, you'll have efficiently and effectively communicated with all your event guests. This streamlined process not only helps in managing your events, but also ensures that everyone on your guest list is well informed and prepared. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful tool within Google Calendar to keep your guests updated with ease. Try it out the next time you have an event planned and experience the convenience it brings.